Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Banggood tool review. This time I'm going to be reviewing a set of step drills. The centre's out, a set of 3 step drills. I've already used them on a job and they're all pretty good. Before we get started with the review, I want to make 1 or 2 things perfectly clear. I don't work for Banggood. I'm not getting paid for doing this. What I do get to do is keep the item. Up to now, most of the stuff I've had has been very good. There is a link in the description box. If you click on the link and buy some of these, in fact buy anything through my link, I do get a small amount of commission. Not enough to retire on, but it all helps a little bit to keep the workshop going. That's enough talking. Let's have a start, see exactly what we've got. These are the hole cutters they've sent us. Like I say, I have used them. They're in a little cheap and nasty plastic box, but it is a plastic box. We'll keep them all together. 3 different sizes, from 3/16 to 7/8 of an inch, which is 4mm to 22, roughly. That's them there. I'm going to give them a try on various metals. If you're working in stainless steel, Inconel, you don't want any of these. They're no good for that sort of thing. But for car body work, aluminium, I want them to drill copper. Drilling copper and drilling brass is a bit of a bastard because it tends to bite and snag, where a hole cutter is much more appropriate. So we're going to give it a try. I'm not going to put it in a drilling machine. I'm going to use my trusty old hand drill. This is what most people use. Different metals. So what we're going to do, I might try one on a bit of stainless just to see what happens, but I don't want to blunt them. I don't want to destroy them. Right, the first one is a bit of 3mm aluminium plate. I always find it easier to put a pilot hole through first. Right, so we're going to pilot hole through. We'll use the smallest one. This is the one I was actually using on a job I had to do. But not much the matter with that really. We'll try the next one up. A little bit slower might be better. You can always put a little bit of WD-40 on. That's an excellent lubricant for aluminium. Right, there's nothing much the matter with that. That's a nice round hole. Just chamfer the back side of it. Right, so they cut aluminium, which you'd expect them to do. Right, this is hard brass plate, what they call yellow brass. Just does the job. Right, we'll try the next one up. Right, so the drill brass, no problem. I'll find a bit of copper. Copper's what I'm interested in. This is 15mm thin wall copper tube plumbing pipe. Right, you try and put a hole like that in with an ordinary drill. I'll show you what happens. Right, we'll put a pilot hole in again. Right, I'll get a 10mm drill and show you what happens. There is a way of sharpening drills to drill copper and brass, but uncontrollable, it drags in, it's absolutely horrible. But those little hole cutters do the job. I'll try a bit of stainless just out of interest. Secret with stainless is not allowed to get hot. If it gets hot, you're wasting your time. Right, so it does drill stainless. It doesn't like it, but that's not what they're for. But it has drilled it. This is 1.5mm mild steel, a lot thicker than car bodywork. I drilled on borrowed time. Slow it down a bit. Well, I'm impressed. This is like a hard plastic. That's absolutely nothing the matter with that. I'm sure you'll agree that them hole cutters did exactly what they're supposed to do. They cut holes in soft material. They did do steel, it did do stainless, but it was great on copper, great on brass, great on aluminium, and plastic obviously no problem at all. Don't forget, if you do decide to buy a set of these off my link, I do get a little bit of commission. If there's any Banggood product you'd like me to review, as long as it's like engineering or tools, just send us an email. Email's on the page there, and I'll have a word with them and see what we can do. It means I get them to try out before you spend your money. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.